You ever wonder what it would feel like to wake up every morning on fire? No hesitation, no laziness, no endless scrolling. Imagine this: you're chasing your dreams, like Goku chasing Ultra Instinct, and for once, you're winning. Your body moves before your mind says later. Your focus, sharp like Levi's blade. Your drive, relentless like Naruto chasing Hokage. That's not fiction. That's your potential, buried under layers of procrastination, comfort, and excuses. And today, we're going to destroy laziness forever. This is your Anti-Procrastination Blueprint, the step-by-step system to stop waiting and start becoming the main character of your own story. Step 1. Face the real enemy: comfort. Laziness isn't your enemy. Comfort is. Your bed, your phone, that 5 more minutes voice, that's the true villain. When you choose comfort, you trade your future for a few seconds of peace. Every time you delay action, that voice wins, and your potential dies a little more. Mini challenge. Today, do one uncomfortable thing. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Take a cold shower. Study when you don't feel like it. Prove to yourself you're stronger than your comfort zone. Step 2. Build momentum, not motivation. Motivation fades, momentum builds. The trick isn't to wait till you feel ready. It's to start small and stay consistent. When Deku couldn't even lift a finger, he trained every day, not for hype, but for progress. That's how real growth works: slow, invisible, relentless. Mini challenge. Pick one habit that moves you forward, just one. Do it for 5 minutes today. That's all. Because 5 minutes done beats 5 hours planned. Step 3. Master your mind with the 2-minute rule. Your mind is lazy by default. It loves inertia. But here's the cheat code. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it takes longer, start for just 2 minutes. That's how you outsmart procrastination with momentum, not willpower. Mini challenge. Right now, clean your desk, open that textbook, or send that one message you've been avoiding. Action rewires your brain. Step 4. Build a no excuse system. Excuses are habits. Systems destroy them. If you can trust your discipline, trust your structure. Plan your next day before you sleep. Lay out your clothes, set alarms, remove distractions. Make action the default, not the option. Mini challenge. Before bed tonight, write your 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. When you wake up, no thinking, just execute. Step 5. Visualize the future you. Here's the truth: you already know what your lazy self looks like. Now, imagine your future self confident, focused, free. They've achieved what you dream of because you started today. Mini challenge. Close your eyes for 60 seconds after this video. Visualize yourself 1 year from now, stronger, smarter, unstoppable. Then ask, what would that version of me do right now? And do it. Laziness isn't who you are, it's just who you've been. But from this moment, you change. You've got the blueprint now. Face your comfort. Build momentum. Trick your brain. Build your system. Visualize your victory. This is your story, your enemy. Every second you delay is another scene wasted. So here's your challenge: take 1 step today. Then comment below what goal you're starting on. Your words will hold you accountable. And if you're ready to build your real-life power arc, subscribe. Because this isn't motivation. This is transformation.